Now, the XOR and the AND gateways are not always what we need. Sometimes we need something a little bit different. Let's have a look at the order distribution process. We've got a company who's got two warehouses, one in Amsterdam, the other in Hamburg, and they both store different products. When an order is received, it's distributed across these warehouses. If some of the relevant products are maintained in Amsterdam, a sub-order is sent there, and likewise, if some of the products are maintained in another warehouse, Hamburg, then relevant products maintained in Hamburg, a sub-order is sent to Hamburg. So afterwards, the order is registered and the process completes. Okay, how do we model that? Okay, here's one solution. Okay, the order is received. We have an order received event. We check and order line items. We have an XOR split. The XOR split, the order only contains Amsterdam products. We forward the sub-order to the Amsterdam warehouse. If the order only contains Hamburg products, we forward the sub-order to the Hamburg warehouse. If the order contains both Amsterdam and Hamburg products, we forward some of it to Amsterdam and we forward some to Hamburg. We have an AND join here, and then either one of these flows, either this flow down here or these flows up here, will then join up and then we can register the order. That's one way to do it. And of course, once we register the order is completed. Another way would be the order is received. We check the order line items, where then we have an AND gateway. We check the order line items and we follow both of these paths. The order does not contain any Amsterdam products. We forward the order to the Amsterdam warehouse, or the order Sorry guys, let's try this again. Just got a little tongue-tied. Unfortunately, I can't edit the video, so you have to live with any mistakes. Okay, this is the second solution. The order is received, we check the order line items, and we have an AND gateway. The AND gateway means we follow both possible paths. Now, in the first path, if we go up, let me just bring up the pen. The first path we go up, we have an XOR gateway. Once we go up here, then we either follow this path where the order does not contain any Amsterdam products, or we follow this path where the order does contain Amsterdam products. If it contains Amsterdam products, we forward the sub-order to an Amsterdam warehouse, follow this path up here where the order does not contain any Hamburg products or it contains Hamburg products, in which case we forward the sub-order to the Hamburg warehouse. Now, when we get to this XOR gateway, we only need one of these flows to continue. Same here, we only need one of these flows to continue. But when we get to here, we need both of these flows down here and this one down here to finish before we can move on and register the order and complete the order process. So we have an AND split at the very beginning and we have an XOR split down the bottom.
The Victorian Institute of Technology has other great videos covering many different topics. Please check them out and thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe the video for more great content like this.